In this question, it is given that consider the word independence, the number of words such that all the vowels are together is. You have to find the correct choice. First, let us check the letters of this word. It's clear that I has come one time, N has come three times, D has come two times, E has come four times, C has come one time, P has come one time. Now, out of these, vowels are I and E. It is one time, it is four times. Because in the question it is given that all the vowels are always together, therefore I and 4 is should be always together. For the time being, suppose all these 5 letters are bound by a row, then my question becomes, we have to arrange 3 n's, 2 d's, 1 c and 1 p and 1 this group of letters. That is, we have to arrange 3 n's, 2 d's, 1 c, 1 p and 1 group of letters. These can be arranged among themselves in 8 fertile by 3 fertile, 2 fertile number of ways, because n has come 3 times, d has come 2 times, and now these letters can be arranged among themselves in 5 fertile by 4 fertile number of ways. This is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 fertile into 5 into 4 into 3 fertile by 3 fertile, 2 fertile, 4 fertile. This will cancel with this, and this will give you 2 zeros in the end. Hence, you will be getting 8 into 7 into 3 into 100 equal to 16800. Hence, I can say first choice is correct choice.